Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial, and today I'm going to be showing you how to get a custom cursor on your PC. So the first thing you want to do is actually go to this website right here. It'll be linked down below in the description. But anyway, find a cursor you want. I mean, you can literally search anything, but just for this tutorial, I'm going to be using this cursor right here. As you can see, it has all the cursors you need for every action, like clicking and everything, loading. But if you want to download all of them, just click download right here. Once it downloads, you can go ahead and drag that to your desktop, make a folder, call it whatever you want it, cursors. Then you can go ahead and extract all of that into the folder. And here is everything you need. The next thing you want to do is go to settings, go to devices, go to mouse, additional mouse options, pointers, click browse, desktop, cursors, and then here's everything you need. So as you can see, if I do that, and then I click apply, my mouse changes, and you just have to do that all the way down with every single one of them. So let me do that real quick. All right, there we go. Now I click apply. So if this did help and you do like the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.